Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix cursor disappears on Google Chrome browser. So to resolve this problem, firstly open Chrome browser. Now click on these three dots, then click on settings. Now click on advanced and click on system. Here is the option use hardware acceleration when available. So just guys, you turn off this option. Hardware acceleration you need to turn off. Now relaunch your Chrome browser. So like this guys, you can fix cursor disappears on Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching, and guys please comment this method useful for you or not. Open Chrome and turn off this feature. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.